Yeah, I know for a lot of people, budgets are always a little bit tight, and it's a concern, especially when you're looking to make a large investment like replacing the siding on your home. And we only want to do it one time, right? This isn't something we want to, spend a fair amount of money on and then 5 years later have to do it again. So the most cost-effective way to replace the siding in your home will typically be vinyl siding. It's got a lower entry point of price compared to Hardie. Now, I want to be very transparent that the return on investment is not near as high on a vinyl siding product as it would be on a James Hardie fiber cement product. I think of it kind of like on the inside of your house, if you were looking to do a laminate countertop versus a quartz or a granite countertop, or a vinyl plank flooring versus genuine wood floor. Those are just some things to think through. But I think what I enjoy at Hawthorn is that I'm open to exploring all those options with our clients. And so, I've had people say, hey, we really like the idea of Hardie, but can you take a look at vinyl options for us? And one of the things we, die on the hill over at Hawthorn, we will not ever provide builder grade quality vinyl siding to our clients. Unfortunately, there's way too many vinyl manufacturers, and most of them happen to be worse than the next. So there's about 2 different brands of vinyl siding that we've locked in on that we realize they're actually really good replacement vinyl sidings, where they're a thicker product, transferable lifetime warranties. They do much better with fade resistance. And so we're always happy to explore that option, because the goal here, we want to provide a solution to you, and we want to find a way to meet your budget, right? We don't want to force you into something that you can't afford, because that takes the fun out of it. Let's take a look at all options. We'll talk through the pros and cons. We'll look at different design renderings. We'll go to different houses so we can see it, feel it, touch it. And then we will really dial into what's the best fit for your specific home and your budget and longevity as well.